Welcome back. Today's altcoin is Chainlink, code LINK. This is a fan favorite. A lot of people love this crypto because it's fundamentals. But with my channel, I say fundamentals are important, but a chart is more important because it tells you the supply and demand for a crypto. That's the most important thing, and that's what we do with chart analysis. We try and see where the market is heading. And Chainlink has obviously, like a lot of cryptos, fallen a lot far from grace from the high it had back in the old times of, crossing $40, about $53 US for one Chainlink, sitting at $13 now. This is a great time to get into crypto right now. Not financial advice, but there's a lot of altcoins popping at the moment, and Chainlink is starting to really creep up my radar because this thing is bursting out with a lot of energy and a lot of volume. And you can see the volume right here. I use Gann and Wyckoff analysis. It's a very traditional form of technical analysis. It doesn't require mathematical models like RSI, stochastics, MACDs, and all that sort of stuff. It is just looking at a chart. It's a good old-fashioned way, and it works really, really well with crypto because crypto is so volatile. All these other oscillators that are happening in technical analysis now, they're all mathematical models essentially underneath it. And crypto is so volatile that they can't compute it. It will say, oh, this is oversold. But crypto, as you know, can just shoot up 30% in one day and 20% the next. Whereas an RSI will tell you, no, this is way oversold. It's way oversold because they're more for the stock market. So that's why I love Gann and Wyckoff analysis for crypto. And it's really starting to find apparent here with Chainlink that this is a crypto that's going to continue to gain momentum more than others. A lot of cryptos will move, right? The whole market is moving up, but we're trying to find the juicy cryptos, the really good cryptos that not a lot of people are talking. How many YouTubers out there were talking about injective protocol? I was talking about injective protocol months before it. Rune, I mentioned that one a couple of weeks ago. I'll link that video above, right? We're trying to find really good high quality altcoins that are outpacing the market. Just because Bitcoin dominance is over 50% doesn't mean that we can't find good altcoins. You can, you're just looking for really good volume ones. So like I said, here's your volume, they were coming up. And you can also see some red volume here indicating that no one's supplying their link, and you're gonna get an uptrend in there. Now, when you start to get an uptrend on your crypto, eventually there will be a bounce on support, which is what happened right here on the 23rd of October. So breakthrough resistance, breaking through the $9.64 mark. So that was 1, 2, and you could call it 3. And then on the fourth time, we burst on it on good volume, closing right at the top of the bar. The next day we open, bounce off of it, and we're off to the races. This is a crypto that still has a lot of room left in it, like a lot of other altcoins, but I love Chainlink as well because there's still so much room to be had. Like I said, $53 was the high. And in crypto's moving, guys, we can just have a few explosive moves, and we can go from $13 all the way to $22 to potentially $30, right? $30 will definitely be a point of resistance as we start to creep up and up and up. Where should your stop loss be? I don't want to see it breaking $9.64 at this time, okay? Because that's still a little bit there. That's about 27% loss I wouldn't want to take. I wouldn't use leverage on this one personally because I wouldn't want to put a 27% loss with a 2 or 3x leverage. That would wreck you a bit too hard. But a 30% loss for a potential gain of anywhere between, 40 to 130%. I'll take that personally. But again, not financial advice. This is a really good, strong crypto to have. We don't want to see it breaking $9.64. And as you can see, the market's all down in red here on the right side, right? Look at the right side, all bleeding. And you can see a few 1s and 2% bleeding. But look at Chainlink. Chainlink right here on the right side, down 0.52%. It was just 2-3 before. We still have a couple hours left of the day, so we've got 21 hours left of the day to see how this is going to close. But you can see at the moment, this is on a daily now, and this is looking fantastic at the moment. Again, there's your test on support, and then you'd never look back. This is what you want to see. This is what strength looks like. There's one, you could call it 2 tests. So again on the 23rd, 24th of October, and then you never come back to test that region again. You just make your higher highs, and now you're going to maybe go down a little bit more. And again, you're always making higher lows. So stop losses underneath the areas of significance because it is still crypto and a big sell-off can happen at any time. We are due for a sell-off, but at the moment, touch wood, I don't see any signs of a major sell-off coming anytime soon. These are just healthy retracements just to test supply. If the crypto's going down, it's perfectly fine. Look at this day. It was a down day, but it was a really good one. This was a good down day, right? Down days can be good because the testing supply. Is anyone selling? Is anyone selling? Nope. You get the next leg up the next day. So it's a really good form of the Gann and Wyckoff analysis. They teach you about these things. And so you can apply it to technical analysis. But of course, technical analysis is just probability. So it can at any time fall and break through that resistance or support area. And you should be managing your risk accordingly. But I think this is a really good crypto to have Chainlink bursting from its low of June 23 at around that $5 mark and already bursting through. And that's the other thing is you want to look at how long it takes to burst through these areas. So you can see we're just grinding across for months and months, not doing anything. And then all of a sudden, just about a couple of weeks ago, you get this burst of volume coming up. And so this is telling you a lot of energy is coming into this market, ready for the next leg up. So that's why I like this crypto a lot. When you get a good breakthrough, you want it to maintain and another breakthrough quickly after that. If it takes too long for the next breakthrough, it's taking too long, there's not enough demand. And that's kind of what's happening with Solana right now. Good crypto Solana, one of my favorites. I'll do a video on that one shortly, but this one is basically just having a little bit of no supplies. It's running a little bit out of energy at this moment, and we need some more energy to come into the market with Solana. So again, I'll do another video on that, but that's what it is basically. You get your breakout, another short cooldown, breakout, and now you're starting to go sideways for a bit, and hopefully you don't break around $37, but that's a video for another day. But in short, Chainlink, a really good crypto to be had. Don't want it breaking the $9.64 mark, but a really good crypto to be had. So a lot of high side to it, a lot. You saw the high there of $53, but baby steps, $30 definitely in the window of opportunity right there. But if you want to see more altcoin reviews, consider subscribing. But until then, everyone, I will catch you on the next video.